Alright guys, welcome back, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the content. So let's get started. So first of all, in your index.php, what you guys want to do is create a new a div class, and name it content, and go now on your main.css, under write the content, make a content, and we're going to give it a width of 600 pixels. That should be perfect. Yeah, a width of 600, the height of 300 pixels, the background color we're gonna have as the background color for our whole website, which is 1A, 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 and we're gonna have margin left auto. I'll tell you the reason why. Margin right as auto, and the reason why we added these is because it's gonna make our website center, our content center, instead of going to the either side. So let's refresh. Oh, I forgot to save the index, so let's refresh, and as you can see, it has no choice but to be in the center, since the margin left and right are auto. So now we need to have this go down a bit. So go back to your main.css and say margin top 50 pixels, save this, and voila. Alright, another cool trick is this rectangle is kind of boring because it has little pointy things on each side. So let's change this a bit, and what you guys want to do is border radius and make this 20 pixels. I think that 20 pixels should be fine, and save it, and voila, this changes. But if you want all the browsers to be compatible, like Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, they all use different kind of border radius. So for Google Chrome uses Webkit, even though border radius works on it. So Webkit border radius 20 pixels, and then Firefox uses Moz border radius and 20 pixels, and save this. Nothing happens, it's just the same. Alright, so now that we have all this done, we're gonna make it so that every time you click on a new link, the information changes. So go to your index.php, and under here we want to make a center tag and a h1 tag, and we're gonna have home on the first one, and we're also gonna create two more pages, which is about us and contact us. But before we do that, under the left content, go to your hrefs and put AU for about us and CU for contact us, and let's do this and save it. And before I show you the next step, I want to tell you guys that PHP is so dynamically good at what PHP does that it makes it so simple to just render out pages like with certain amount of code. For example, if I take this and control and copy, and under the header.php and paste it under it and save it and delete this, all I have to do is just copy this and make a new page and save it as about us.php. That's all, without having to have the navigation system. So let's change this to about us and save it without having the navigation system. So for example, if I had the navigation system, I would have to add it here, then add it to the next page. That's a lot of work. You don't want to do that. So create a new one and save it as cu.php and change this to contact us and save it. See, this is only 9 lines of code, which is perfect because that's what PHP does, code to write. So refresh this and home and about us and contact us. So see, it's so dynamically. And say you want to add a new page, all you have to do is just go to any of your pages like index.php, about us.php, and just copy this and change the home, and then you're good, and go to your header.php and add a new link, and then you're set. Another thing I want to add is that I was playing around with it before and I actually changed the color. So if you guys don't see contact us, the reason why is because under your main.css I changed this to color to FF, which is white, which anything, any word or anything makes it white. So if you guys don't see that, change that. And in the next tutorial I will show you how to add a picture here and some content on this side. And for those of you guys that want advertisement, like ads on your website, I'll show you how to make it so that you guys could have advertisement here and here. So thanks for watching, and in the next tutorial, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, write them below or message me. So smile you later.